Okay, after that last video, I remember what that little adapter was for. So I just decided to pull out a cam lock that I had laying around, new one, and to show you how to put them together. Um, that'll go along with what that adapter's for too. So these come in like a little platinum package. A lot of people sell them ESP, Compex Fort, which Compex owes Fort, and a couple others. Can't think right off the hand. They come pretty much disassembled. I mean, the wafers are already in them, but they come apart. They got your plug, and then they come with your cylinder, whatever you want to call it, your Bible, and they come with this one. Come with like two different cams. Some of them come with two, some of them three, some of them five. They come as kits. They got your little stopper right here, and this determines where that goes 180 degrees or not. Now, they came on the back. There's another one which I can't find. I dropped it because I wasn't thinking when I took this out of the bag, because the screw was in the back of it. It's got a 90-degree plate too, and that depends on what you're mounting it in. If it's a cabinet or desk drawer, you always got to like orientate it the correct way and stuff like that. They come with these little spacers, little white plastic things, which for the life of me, I can't remember exactly what they're for. I think maybe they go for the inside. I'm not really positive on that. Anybody knows, just drop down in the comments for me. I'm here to learn also. So what you do, you take your plug, make sure your keyway's orientated the right way, and take your little cylinder here. Now, if you notice, I don't know if you can see, they got these little slots, little grooves here, like a cross right there. That's where your wafers actually slide in. That's what keeps them. That's what actually makes it lock. When they're up, they can't move. They're locked, and you put the key in, it drops down, allows them to move. Well, you pop your plug in like that. Got a hold on the back there. Now you'll put this through like your drawer, your desk, whatever, and I don't have anything I got to show you. Maybe in the future I can come across one and actually install one for you. But it comes with the little beauty ring. Also comes with your little stop right here, little back plate, whatever you want to call it, and a nut. Well, first you just slide your beauty ring on like that. That way it makes it look good on the outside of whatever you're putting on. And then, you would slide it through the lock hole, the desk, or whatever. Then you would put this plate on, and notice it's got these two big deals sticking up right here. Those are going to like bite into your wood or whatever. And you put that on there, and of course, like I said, it's going up against wood, and these come in like 2, 3, 4 different sizes, so you'll have to measure all that, make sure you have the right ones. Just keep an assortment with you. You never have the wrong one. So you put that on there, and then you want to put your little limiter plate, I guess you could call it. And if you notice, this is a square cutout right here, all around there. You pop this on like that, and then well, before that, here's your little nut. You like put that on there. You can put a little Loctite on there, adjust that up, like right, up against whatever it is, the back side, like the inside of your drawer, so it gets a little bite in there. And that's what actually wears out. you know, and that's why you have to use like reinforcement plates right there, like I showed in the last one, your little braces. Okay, make sure that's on there correctly. And then I'll take this small cam. Now here's where this comes into play. If you notice, if you can see, you know, it's square right there. Now sometimes you're going to come across locks, the back side of them, you get that square piece, which where your cam fits over. Okay, it's going to be small. And so, and notice your basic cam holes here, the square hole, they're usually big. And what you do, you take this, I don't want to pop it all the way in case I can't get it out. But if I grab a hold of it here, but you would pop that in like that, you know, pop it in, and therefore it, you know, make it fit like on smaller back on the plug that's got a smaller backside on it. And also that's probably what these little screws are for. Again, not too sure. Let me know if you know what they're actually for, as I'm here to learn also. Pop your cam on. I don't know if you can see that. Pop your cam on. Of course, this is easy if it's actually mounted, you know, on. And another thing, I can't remember what size right off, maybe 7/8 or 13/16. A spark plug socket or deep well is great for these big nuts right here, because you don't have to put a ratchet on it. You can pretty much do them hand tight so they bite in there, get nice and stuck. Like I said, might want to put a little Loctite there, because over time they wear out, wear and tear, and starts chewing out the wood and all that stuff. Then you have to put one of them reinforcement plates in. Let's see if I can, well, nope. Going to fall apart on me. If y'all knew how many times I've already tried to film this. But anyway, yeah, pop that on there. Again, you want to make sure your cam's orientated whichever way, like your locking paw, or whichever way it locks into. And that has a lot to do with the 90 and the 180 degree stops on them. But you know, you tighten that down. I might want to put some Loctite on those too. I'm not these, because I could probably still use them. And they come with, you know, couple keys. I would guess this would be a Y11, although I have a Y11 here. And they will line up, the bow goes down a little bit more, but if you do them like shoulder to shoulder, I think maybe I'll cut it here later and see. But with these cam locks, if you're getting started as a locksmith, as I am, or you just like to do this as a hobby, if you're like into impressioning and stuff like that, try your Y series of Yale keys, Y11, Y12, 13, 14, so on and so forth, because a lot of times you'll get the other keys. They're a little bit more expensive, which when a Y11 or one of the other Y series will actually work, and you can actually save your customer some money, a little bit of money. Or if you're just doing it like as a hobby, save yourself a little bit of money by just getting the Y series blanks. Then you like pop her in there. Make sure I got it in there right. Make sure. And I did something wrong. Oh, okay. It won't turn, so probably what I done, let's loosen the back of the cam a little bit, because it's kind of like might be, well, nope, I'm thinking it might be like the Schlage. So either that, or I actually didn't get them lined up like I told everybody to do. Let me tear it apart here and see what the heck I done. Oh, it could have been my limiter plate too. see. Let's try that. Probably going to be a long video. Hope y'all don't mind. But like I said, we are here to learn. You can't really rush through some things. And hopefully I will get better. You know, I'm sure I'll get better as time goes on. Let's pop that down in here. Let me see what. I guess if you are going to use the shoes Loctite, you should like try that. There we go. I don't think I actually have this in the slots like it's supposed to. But see how that goes like 180. See, oh well, maybe if I had it in camera you could see. See, it goes like 180 and stops. And like I said, that most of them, a lot of them are like 90 degree. You just got to check whichever one, depends on where it latches and stuff like that. Anyway, thought that was helpful, or hope that was helpful. Give it a like, subscribe if you don't mind, and I'll see you next video. Okay, just a little addendum here I'm going to put on the video. Forgot to let y'all know about something. Sometimes they come with these little clips too, like for the back of the desk. And what you do, you like slide them on. It helps, you know, keep them clipped on there real good and tight. Pop it in like that. I've seen them on some. I've seen some people use them, seen others not. So sometimes you have to use them, sometimes you don't. But it's just a little something extra to help keep them a little snug and secure on there. Anyway, just thought I'd put that little bit of tidbit out there kind of as an addendum. Thanks a lot, guys. See you next one.